Hello, hello, dear friends all around the globe. It's me, Mateja from Ljubljana. It was snowing today. Now there is a bit of rain, but I would still like to show you our little paradise here along the river. I am next to the so-called Cobbler's Bridge. For those ones who were in Ljubljana before, you know what I'm talking about. And now I would like to show you also the Ljubljana river just below the whole square where cobblers used to have their workshops. And then we have the old part of the city on the right river bank. There is also a castle right at the top. Let me show you this. The top of the hill. Yeah, well, you do hear some church bells because in 15 minutes the service will start in one of our 26 Roman Catholic churches, and the church bells are inviting people to join for a mass. Just walking next to the Chestnut Cottage the other day, most probably you remember, the chestnuts were still sold for roasted chestnuts, but these days there are less people in the city, so most probably they closed, and it's also rainy, so it's not that pleasant. Although, you know, I noticed quite a few families going for a walk because, as we said, it's a very pleasant day, just about freezing point. I am now next to our new square, where are some palaces, mainly built in 1700s, some of them also beginning of 18th century, nicely decorated. On the right hand side there is a fountain covered because, you know, temperatures are pretty low, and this is really not good for our sculptures throughout of the window. Maybe you see the man over there in red. He's fighting with the snow. He's delivering food, so most probably he needs to be somewhere pretty quickly, but because of the snow it's not so easy to reach the final destination, so they will really work hard for the money that they earn. In this area, when it's nice and pleasant, we have Saturday art market. Then on Sundays we have so-called Antiquity Market. Some people say also flea market. Anyway, really interesting part for everyone who is coming to Ljubljana, a kind of a must. I usually suggest people to stay in Ljubljana over a weekend because there are so many events going on, very relaxing atmosphere, and then you can also notice how we locals spend our time off. Yeah, at the moment pretty deserted because coffee shops are closed, restaurants are closed, but if you would like to have a nice peaceful walk, that would be just perfect time. So thank you very much for your attention. Wish you a very pleasant evening and a happy new year. 2021 should be much better than 2020. Bye bye.